Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, we are about to explore one of the most captivating natural wonders on our planet, Mount Everest. Join us as we delve into the top 20 astounding facts about this extraordinary peak. Fact 1. The highest peak on Earth. Our first mind-blowing fact is that Mount Everest is the highest peak on Earth, towering at a breathtaking height of 8,848.86 meters, 29,031.7 feet, above sea level. Fact 2. The Himalayan giants. Did you know that Mount Everest is part of the Himalayan mountain range? The Himalayas are home to numerous colossal peaks, with Mount Everest proudly reigning as the tallest. Fact 3. Named after Sir George Everest. Mount Everest is named after Sir George Everest, a British Surveyor General of India. Fact 4. Ever-changing height. Mount Everest's height is not static. Due to tectonic activity, the peak's elevation changes slightly over time, making it an ever-evolving marvel. Fact 5. The Sherpa people. The Sherpa people, known for their exceptional mountaineering skills, have been instrumental in helping climbers conquer Mount Everest. Their rich cultural heritage adds to the mystique of this majestic mountain. Fact 6. The first successful ascent. On May 29, 1953, Sir Edmund Hillary of New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa guide, became the first people to reach the summit of Mount Everest. It was an incredible human achievement. Fact 7. A graveyard for climbers. Tragically, Mount Everest has claimed the lives of many climbers. The treacherous conditions, extreme altitude, and unpredictable weather make it a challenging and dangerous expedition. Fact 8. The Khumbu Icefall. One of the most hazardous sections of the climb is the Khumbu Icefall, a constantly shifting glacier with towering ice seracs that pose a significant threat to climbers. Fact 9. The Death Zone. Above 8,000 meters, 26,246 feet, the altitude is so extreme that it's known as the Death Zone. Oxygen levels are dangerously low, and the human body struggles to function properly. Fact 10. The fastest ascent. In 2004, Pemba Dorji Sherpa set a mind-boggling record by reaching the summit of Mount Everest in just 8 hours and 10 minutes. Talk about incredible speed. Fact 11. Trash on the mountain. Sadly, Mount Everest faces an environmental challenge. Over the years, the mountain has accumulated a significant amount of garbage left behind by climbers. Efforts are being made to clean up this majestic peak. Fact 12. The Yeti mystery. Mount Everest is closely associated with the legendary Yeti, a mythical creature often described as a large, hairy, ape-like being. The Yeti's existence remains an unsolved mystery. Fact 13. Climbing season. Climbing Mount Everest is only possible during specific seasons when weather conditions are relatively stable. The primary climbing seasons are spring, April to May, and autumn, September to October. Fact 14. A protected area. Since 1976, Mount Everest and its surrounding region have been designated as Sagarmatha National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It helps preserve the unique biodiversity and cultural significance of the area. Fact 15. A living laboratory. Scientists utilize Mount Everest as a living laboratory to study the effects of high altitude on the human body. Understanding the challenges of extreme environments can lead to advancements in medical research. Fact 16. Weather extremes. Mount Everest experiences some of the most extreme weather conditions on Earth. Temperatures can plummet to -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit, and winds can exceed hurricane strength. Fact 17. Changing colors. At certain times of the day, the snow and ice on Mount Everest's peak change color due to the shifting sunlight. Witnessing this ethereal transformation is a truly magical experience. Fact 18. The first solo ascent. In 1980, Reinhold Messner achieved an extraordinary feat by becoming the first person to summit Mount Everest solo and without supplemental oxygen. This remarkable accomplishment solidified Messner's place in mountaineering history. Fact 19. Avalanches and earthquakes. Mount Everest is located in a seismically active region, prone to avalanches and earthquakes. These natural hazards pose additional risks to climbers, making their ascent even more challenging. Fact 20. The fastest ascent. In 2019, Nirmal Purja, a former Gurkha soldier from Nepal, set a new record for the fastest ascent of Mount Everest. Perja reached the summit in just 39 days, breaking the previous record of 41 days. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey to discover 20 astonishing facts about Mount Everest. The roof of the world continues to captivate and inspire adventurers from around the globe. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures.